Hello students, myself Amar. Today the chapter is Force and Pressure. Introduction. You know that what is the force? What happens when a force is applied on an object? You see in diagram, this person will apply a force in this object while pushing, pulling, lifting or hitting anything. We are actually changing the motion of an object. This change in motion require force. So we can say that a push or pull on an object resulting in its motion is called a force. You see, this boy will apply pulling force, then increase the size. What happens when a force interact? If you choose a heavy box and try to push it, the box will not move. But if you ask a friend to help in pushing it in the same direction, it moves. That means if you apply force in same direction, these add up. Effect of force. Consider a thin rubber balloon and blow air into it. The shape change. You see this boy. This is the effect of force for changing the shape. Now press the air-filled balloon again, the shape change. This is due to the effect of force. The first is change in shape. Now the next effect is you play football. The football is kept in the center of the field. When you kick it, it moves towards the given direction. That means if a ball in rest, to apply the force, get in motion. Similarly, in the kitchen, your mother make balls from dough and rolls them into chapatis. In this case, she applying a force to make them flat. This is also part of changing shape. One can change in the direction of the object by applying a suitable force on it. You know that in cricket is next example. In cricket, the speed of ball hit by a batsman reduced to a zero when a fielder catch a ball. This is the motion to rest and changing speed also. Also, if you kick a moving ball, the speed of a football increase. This is example of increased speed. Next is net force. The net force is the sum of all forces. There are two types, balanced and unbalanced force. Force that are equal but in the opposite direction is called balanced force. For example, if you press the object, this object does not move, is called balanced force. If move, unbalanced force. For example, seesaw. So balanced force are always equal to zero, do not cause motion. Unbalanced force always cause motion, never equal to zero. Kinds of force. There are two major types of force: contact force, non-contact force. Contact force, mainly muscular force, force of friction. Another example in mechanical force also, contact force. Similarly, non-contact force are magnetic force, gravitational force, electrostatic force. Firstly, contact force. Can you push or lift a book lying on the table without touching it? No. Or can you lift a bucket of water without holding it? In both cases, the answer is no. Generally, to apply a force on an object, our body needs to be in contact with the object. So we can say that contact force are the forces which act on bodies when they are in actual contact. I have given two examples of book and bucket. In this, have used for contact force or muscular force. In both cases. Another case example of muscular force is when we push an object such as a box or lift a bucket of water, then the force is caused by the action of muscles in our body. This force is known as muscular force. We hold a pen, we also use a muscular force. Same thing, you are walking by the helping of muscles. So it's also part of muscular force. Another example, cutting the vegetable or fruits with the help of a knife. Hammering of nail with the help of hammer. Pulling a cart by horse. Force of friction. Do you know why a heavy box or pushing does not move? Why a rolling ball stops after some time? Both the answer is frictional force. When an object moves in contact with another object, a force known as friction comes into play. Friction force is applied only opposite direction. We get reduce our forces. You see
Summary.
football comes and sometime get stopped. Let's summarize what
Due
we
to
have frictional
learned.
force. Force. We
Is a
are
push
walking
or pulling
or running
resulting
by the helping
in
of
motion
friction
of
force.
a body.
Without friction force, we can't walk or run. We can't move also. Force can change the shape of an object. This shows
Moves
an
force
object
of friction
from the
always
position
oppose the
of
motion
rest
of the body,
change
over
the
another
direction
body
of
in
the body
contact.
in motion and change the speed of moving object. Types of non-contact force. Next one is there are two kinds of force: non-contact force, contact force, and non-contact force. Gravitational force, magnetic force, muscular force, and static force. Force of friction are the example of firstly gravitational force. Another example of contact force is mechanical force. Why the leaves mechanical force
or
means
fruits
fall
the
to
force
the ground
applied by a machine
when they detach from the plant. Gravitational force and electrostatic
fruits,
force
leaves,
and magnetic force
upper side
are the
into the
examples
sky.
of non-contact force. This is because of gravitational force. The force due to Earth's attraction
Let us
is
summarize
called
what we have
gravitational
learned.
force. This is an
Force
example of
per unit area is known
non-contact
as
force.
pressure.
Pressure from solids is due to their weight and acts downward, but in the case of liquids and gases, the pressure exerted by them is downward. sideways
Now,
and
the
upward
force
also.
between two magnet poles
And that
placed
means
in a
all
suitable
directions
distance is called the magnetic force, in which like poles repel each other while unlike poles attract each other. This is show red
the
colors both
envelope
are
of
same
air around the
charges
earth is
same
known
magnetic
as
field
atmosphere.
so repel each other. A red and black are opposite.
The
Poles
pressure
have
of
attract
the
each
air
other.
upon the surface
A magnet can
of the
exert
earth
force another
is
magnet
called
without being
atmospheric
contact
pressure.
with it. So the force exerted by a magnet is also an example of non-contact force. Do you know, when we rub the tube through dry cloth and bring it near the thread is attracted towards the thread. Same, if you rubbing a plastic scale on your hair, this scale will attract the small paper of pieces. This is the reason of electrostatic charge, because on running the tube through the dry cloth, an electric charge is generated on the tube. This is called electrostatic charge, or this force is called electrostatic force. This is also part non-contact force. Pressure. In this diagram, I have take 5 wooden boxes of almost same size. Fill them with scrap iron to make them heavy. Arrange these boxes on wooden table, placing them side by side. See the impact of the push force from these boxes on the table. You will notice that the table remain normal and it is not affected by the push force weighting of box upon it.
Introduction. What is force? What happens when a force is applied to an object? While pushing, pulling,
If you apply in
lifting, or hitting anything,
boxes
we
one
are
by
actually
one
changing the motion of an
up
object.
point,
This change in
then
motion requires force.
this
So we
table
can
gets
say that
affected.
a push or a pull on an object resulting in its motion
downward.
is called a force. Objectives. At the end of
What is
this
the
lesson,
reason?
you'll be able to define force,
Can you guys
list the properties
why
of
does
force,
that happen?
understand the effects of
Through
force,
the force applied
distinguish
in both
contact
the case is
and
same,
non-contact
but in
forces,
the first case
list types of
impact
contact
less
and non
in the second the table bends. This activity proved that both the force and its coverage area are important. Similar, the area on which the force acts greater is the impact, and this phenomena is known as pressure. We can also say that pressure is related to the force. You see, second activity has the pressure will be increased because area will be decreased. You see that type of example in daily life. Have you ever noticed that why school bag have wide straps? Why sharp knife cut better as they complete to blunt knife? And why the tip of the needle is sharp? In our everyday life, we all experience the impact of pressure. A school bag has a wide strap so that the weight of bag may fall over a large area of the shoulder of the child, thus resulting in less pressure on the shoulders, and due to less pressure it is quite comfortable to carry the heavy school bag. A sharp knife has a very thin edge. It cuts object better because the area of contact is very small. The force of our hand falls over a very small area of the object, producing a large amount of pressure, and this large amount of pressure cuts the object easily compared to the blunt knife. Due to the sharp tip, the needle will put the force on a very small area of the cloth, producing a large pressure sufficient to press the cloth begin stretched. Do liquid and gases also exert pressure like solids? Do you know what happens when you blow air into a balloon? It exerts pressure in all directions. That's why the balloon increase in size and show equal enlargement in all directions. That means it depends on the pressure by the air. The same is also true for the liquid. It also exerts equal pressure in all directions. You fill the water inside the balloon also, or I see another example. When a plastic disc submerged in water, it does not fall down. It continuously pressed against the glass pipe by the pressure of the water. This implies that the water exerts pressure in all directions. You also do that type of work at home. Air and our atmosphere. We know that there is air all around us. This envelope of air around the earth is known as atmosphere. Actually, air has weight and therefore exert pressure. The pressure of the air upon the surface of the earth is called atmospheric pressure. Note that atmospheric pressure is decreased as we go up and up. On the average, the weight of air on our head is 1 kilogram per centimeter square. You feel this atmospheric pressure if you running or moving bicycle high speed. Daily life experience of atmospheric pressure. You see in diagrams. Firstly, you drink a cold drink by a straw. You will use injections for inject medicine or body. You will use for ink pen or any type of pen. Do you know what happens when you sip a cold drink? The air pressure inside the straw is reduced and the pressure on the surface of the drink pushes the drink up into the straw to reach our mouth. In the case of syringe, the doctor dips its nozzle into the liquid and pulls the piston. thereby lowering the air pressure inside the syringe. In another example of ink-filled fountain pens that have rubbed tubing, the rubber tube pressed to push out pressure inside the tube.